If you've been keeping up with our 3-minute video series, you probably have heard about the golden ratio, 2-1-1, 2 parts spirit, 1 part sugar, 1 part sour. Today I'd like to show you a recipe called the Hemingway Daiquiri. It fits the mold, but the recipe buries the 2-1-1 within its numbers. Hi, I'm Derek Schomer, host of Common Man Cocktails, owner of AwesomeDrinks.com. Welcome to my 3-minute educational video series. You can check out all of the videos at AwesomeDrinks.com/3. So, let me give you the recipe breakdown. 2 ounces of light rum, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur, 1/2 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Doesn't look anything like a 2-1-1. 2 ounces of light rum. That one's easy. For that, we're going to use a Cuban rum. It has a little additional kick with Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup with probably a little added sweetness from the Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, bringing you up to about a 1. 3/4 ounce of lime juice, but then a 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, bringing you just over 1 for sours. The secret is this modifier, Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. It's an alcohol with sugar, so it's going to bring some potency and a little bit of sweet. The lime and the grapefruit juice combo gives it that little extra sour. This is a shake and a strain. 3/4 ounce of sugar, 1/2 ounce of squeezed fresh grapefruit juice, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce maraschino liqueur, 2 ounces of rum. Add ice. Good 12-second shake. And there you go, a Hemingway Daiquiri. It's got a tad bit of sweetness from the maraschino liqueur, kind of like an earthy, viney mineral flavor, balanced against a nice, bright, kind of potent white rum with a great sour component, floral flavors from the grapefruit juice and the maraschino liqueur. Maraschino liqueur modifies this otherwise normal daiquiri by giving it different types of flavors. It brings a little added potency. It also balances off some of the little sugar that we've added, and it modifies the drink to make it more interesting than just a sour, a rum sour. A few other notables: an orange liqueur or blue curacao if it was blue. Amaretto, you've probably seen it, an almond liqueur, another modifying agent. But you can have bitter modifying agents as well, like Aperol, Campari, Fernet Branca. These all have sugar in them to kick and add to the other sugary components you've already put in your drink. And it gives it a new interesting quality. Adding Campari or Aperol to this drink will create a radically different drink. So you can use your modifying agent to complement your 2-1-1 ratio without throwing it wildly out of balance, but yet giving it new unique flavors. Down below, link to our home bartender starter kit. Over here, some more 3-minute videos that you probably want to watch. That's it, we're teaching you how to drink.